Look, I'll be honest. The first time I started investing, I had no idea what these order types meant. When I bought stocks, I would just always hit market because I had no clue what the others did. What I realized that they're actually really important depending on how you invest. So I'm gonna break it down for you, all you beginner guys, and explain it to you like you're 6 years old. So this is what the market order screen for Wealthsimple looks like. A market order basically means you're buying or selling a stock right now at the best available price. First, you have to know that every single stock has two prices actually, a bid price and an ask price. A bid price is the highest price a buyer is willing to pay for your stock. The ask is the lowest price a seller is willing to take for your stock. So what that means for you is that if you place a market buy order, you'll pay that ask price of 351.24. If you place a market sell order, you'll pay that bid price of 351.1. And that little gap in between of 14 cents between the two numbers, that's called spread. And that's how brokerages make their money. Now let's talk about limit orders. So instead of using a market order where you just buy at $351.24 a share, you can place a limit order. So for example, let's say you only want to buy Tesla if it drops to $350. You can set a buy limit order. So it says buy limit price there. You could set to 350 instead of 351.14. And the order will only go through when it hits 350, meaning someone is willing to sell to you at $350 a share. And you don't have to be on your phone all the time to check out the price. If it's 350, it'll do it for you automatically. That's the beauty of limit price. It also works the other way around too. So say you already own Tesla stock at 351, but you only want to sell if it goes up to 355, you can put a sell limit order. So basically this is buy Tesla. If it was sell Tesla, you would put a price of say 355 and it'll only sell, meaning execute, at $355 a share. So just to recap, market orders are super fast and you don't really have control on price, but a limit order is at your price that you desire and your rules. However, you have to wait until the stock price actually gets there. So it's a little bit of a trade-off. Stick around for part 2 as I go through the other order types.